Hi, guys. I just wanted to come on here and quickly tell you about a new virtual workshop that I am having in January on Zoom. This workshop is the same one that I did in October. That one had about 22 mostly coaches, instructional coaches, but some teachers as well. And we had the best conversations about scoring. The teachers walked out of there and the coaches walked out of there really with clarity and feeling like they finally understood that rubric from TEA and they finally understand how ECRs are scored. There's no question. There's going to be no question in your mind after you take this course. So we're going to do it on Zoom. That way we can meet once a week for an hour in January and we can learn how to score these essays. I'm going to be training you the same exact way that TEA trained me and how they train their scorers. So we're going to go through a anchor set, we're going to go through a training set, and we're going to go through a calibration set. And as we go through those, the learning is just going to keep going. And we will all grow and learn as we take the course together. So I hope you're going to sign up. I have a Black Friday special going at the moment. So look below in the link. I will post the link where you can find out more information, but you definitely do not want to miss this.